Welcome back to another CHEM2303 lab experiment primer video. The amount of total organic carbon, or TOC, is a measure of all carbon atoms present in a water sample. If TOC contents are too high during water treatment, carcinogenic and genotoxic molecules can form, which are never a good thing. Hence, the importance of analyzing for TOC in water. Let's get started. In Experiment 7, you'll learn how to prepare stock and standard solutions, interpret instrument data, create calibration curves, and report scientific findings. These are all foundational things to know for future analytical chemists. Now, I know you've heard this before, but make sure to finish your pre-lab calculations before you come into your lab. You get started by preparing a stock solution from a reagent of potassium hydrogen phthalate. Figuring out how much KHP is needed is crucial for making an accurate stock solution. Verify your calculations with your TA or lab coordinator before you get started. Once your standard solutions have been made, you need to transfer them to instrument-specific sample vials. Ensure that an appropriate amount of volume has been added to each vial, or the instrument won't be able to analyze your sample. Lastly, operating the TOC instrument can sometimes be tedious and confusing to new users. Once your vials are ready for analysis, ask your TA or lab coordinator to help you get your samples running. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and get some studying done. It'll take some time before your samples are fully analyzed. Once all your data is collected, a calibration curve can be made to determine the TOC content in your unknown water sample for your post-lab report. As usual, good luck and stay curious.